Ngibingelele kuwe, ngiyathemba-ke ukuthi-ke uyaphila-ke. Mina nje ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma kuwukuthi-ke usamusha kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke, noma ukuthi-ke uyaqala ungena kulona-ke wenze nje kulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ungaphumi wacindezelanga-ke ibhathini u-subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke likwenza ukwazi ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha engizolo ngiza nazo ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje kuze ungaphuthezwa iy'ndaba njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke ngilethele oludabuthusayo ngendlela-ke esimanga-ke laphana-ke sokhumbula ukuthi khona ividiyo trend-ayo ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana-ke laphana-ke abegqoke ijoyini yesonto-ke laphana-ke kubonakala engathi bebesesontweni-ke benza-ke ucansi-ke umkhuba-ke laphana. Le vidiyo iya-trend-a-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana-ke usisi-ke kalosisi-ke laphana udadewabo kalosisi-ke obenza-ke nawo ucansi-ke laphana-ke obe-trend-a usengene ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana udadewabo wabhala wathi, "Good afternoon South Africa. This girl you see on this trending video is my big sister and I would like to apologize on her behalf. She is not someone who goes around doing such things in public. She was under the influence of something. As we speak, she's at hospital fighting for her life because this video really affected her self-esteem badly. I don't think she'll ever heal from this. Can you please stop sharing the video and making fun of it? Because my sister is a married woman. You all putting her marriage in jeopardy." So uthi-ke lana mangitolika ukuthi good afternoon South Africa, ngiyabingelela South Africa. Le ntombazane eniyibona i-trend-a kule video usisi wami omdala and ngingacela ukuxolisa on her behalf, ngimxolisele. She is not someone who goes around doing such thing. Akuyena umuntu ohamba enza lezi zinto public. Khona into noma uphuzo oludakwayo ebelumngenile-ke laphana-ke njengoba sikhuluma nje usesibhedlela ulwela impilo yakhe. I don't think she ever heal from this. Angicabangi ukuthi-ke uyokaphole kule nto le. So ngicela niyeke ukushera le video le nilokhu nenza ihlaya ngayo ngoba usisi wami uwumuntu wesifazane oshadile. Nithatha umshado wakhe niwubeka kwingcindezi. Kusho-ke le post emangitolikela ngesiZulu-ke lapho. Ngicela futhi nama-comment section kusho uvo lakho ukuthi nawe ucabangani ngalokhu udaba-ke lolu osuwenze kulungile nje ungixhasa ungaphuma wacindezelanga-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama kwenza ukwazi ukuthi uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba ezintsha ngilethela zona kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli kusukela manje.